No? Ted, look outside. Did the birds fly away? Oh, I'm sorry, Ted. Oh, did you see a butterfly? Is there a butterfly out there, Ted? I'm sorry you're disappointed, but that doesn't mean you have to not talk to me, Ted. Fine. Walk away, you poor disappointed cat. Go play with your paper.